Hello everyone, welcome you all to ATM Creations. This is a 23-inch MDF board on which we will create a dot mandala. Let's get started with dotting. I'll start with violet dot in the center. Now indigo. I'll keep a smaller dot. Now blue dots. I'll keep tiny dots now. I'll keep some green dots now. I'll keep tiny green dots now. Now I'll keep yellow dots. I'll keep tiny yellow dots now. I'll keep some orange dots now. I'll keep tiny orange dots now. Now I'll keep red dots. I'll keep tiny red dots. I'll keep some golden dots now. I'll keep smaller violet dots. I'll work the dots with violet. Now I'll keep indigo dots. Now I'll work the dots. Now light blue dots. Now I'll work the dots in blue. I'll keep some green dots now. I'll work the dots in green now. Now I'll keep some yellow dots. Now I'll work the dots in yellow. I'll keep some red dots now. I'll keep some orange dots now. Now I'll work the dots in orange. Now I'll work the dots in red. I'll keep a straight swipe in gold here. I'll keep a dot and then manually drag it to a swipe later. I'll drag this dot into a swipe now. I'll keep two side swipes in indigo. So for that, again I'll keep a dot and then manually drag it to a swipe. I'll drag this dot into a swipe. Now two more side swipes in yellow. I'll keep a dot and drag it to a swipe. I'll drag these yellow dots into swipes. I'll keep some copper dots. This is metallic copper color that I have. I'll keep tiny dots in metallic copper. I'll keep some golden dots now. Now I'll keep tiny golden dots. I'll keep some more metallic copper dots. Now I'll keep tiny copper dots. I'll keep some golden dots now. Now I'll keep violet dots. I'll work the dots in violet now. I'll keep indigo dots now. I'll work the dots in indigo. I'll keep blue dots. Now I'll work the dots with blue. I'll keep some green dots now. I'll work the dots with green. I'll keep some yellow dots now. I'll work the dots in yellow. I'll keep some orange dots now. I'll work the dots in orange. I'll keep some red dots now. Now I'll work the dots in red. I'll keep golden dots now. Now I'll work the dots using gold. Now I'll keep 3 copper dots. I'll keep 2 golden dots now. One more metallic copper dot. I'll keep straight swipe in violet. I'm going to keep a dot and then drag it to a swipe later. I'll drag this dot into a swipe now. One side swipe in indigo. One more side swipe in blue. Another side swipe in green. The next side swipe in yellow. Another side swipe in orange. One last side swipe in red. I'm sure all of you love this colorful dot mandala. Thank you for watching this video.